USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this absolutely ongoing, very crucial civil justice sign of closure that I am providing for myself according to the Holy Bible guidelines of civil law. So I will read the civil justice so that all the nations, the entire population worldwide are in the same page on what exactly is going on, right? So this, for now, for a while, it's going to be civil justice sign off to be signed for myself only, okay? And that it's a multitasking as well, okay? So I'll read the civil justice sign off. For I, Vedapriya Pro Se, proved scandal of absolute monarchs as of February 2021 to USA government, any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Pro Se, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. So, the scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide as in Republica Syria, Palestine, Path, Party of Islam, Judaism. They never bother to educate USA Republican government, can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I the Priya Pro Se, a true civil lawyer, a true civil doctor, and a true supreme civil judge. And it is a fatal negligence of Syria, Palestine, Baath Party of Islam, Judaism, and it is crime for Syria Baath Party of Islam Judaism to be fatal negligent and for hiding the truth of fake Israel to fool USA nation forever. So either USA government should say knows who is Syria Palestine Baath Party of Islam Judaism, or either USA government should say don't know who is Syria Palestine Baath Party of Islam Judaism. So the extended civil justice sign off is, as of today, is I, Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own this checks for ongoing civil justice sign-off, sign-off, okay? So the Republica Syria Palestine Baath Party of Islam Judaism, with fatal negligence, failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate and by default created Republica USA robocalls poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell and President Trump, then the Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh, is in 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Pro Se abruptly on October 2018, and Republica government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 18. October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 6th of 2021. And also enforced finance disability to I Vedapriya Pro Se abruptly. So it is a crime for Republica Syria Palestine Baath Party of Islam Judaism when ruling USA never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I Vedapriya Pro Se. So civil justice is I Vedapriya Pro Se want USA Citibank CEO to pay off my debt in full, that is $10,210.38, and sign off tax-free $4,500 dollars for direct deposit to my bank account, and each Republica, Syria, Palestine, Baath Party of Islam Judaism leaders, count by count, should sign off tax-free $1 billion and direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republica government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And for I, Vedapriya Pro Se displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government, I, Vedapriya Pro Se for civil justice, want the United States of America to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name, Vedapriya, is a civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prosate, becomes Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prosate, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children and Families, Department of Health and Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Agriculture, Department of Imports and Exports and Fair Trade Process, Military Services, etc. in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prosate, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prosate, must should get dual citizenship of USA and India, now is the civil justice served. And I hope we are all in the same page, being aware that I, Vedapriya Prosate, is signing off excellent civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines, and I'm signing the civil justice for me, because it is the United States of American government with fatal negligence only enforced robocalling poverty mandate and enforced finance disability for me, right? So that is a crime. So when USA nation never knows that the USA nation or any nation for that matter do not have any a birthright to enforce poverty for mankind, and sadly United States of America provided that deadliest crime, zero tolerance crime, to I. So I should get the civil justice, and that is why I am signing the civil justice sign off in front of all nations. That is the healthiest humane standards, right? So that is why I am providing excellent civil justice sign off. Okay, talk to you later, take care, bye now.